Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Wu Huiwen. My metro number is 254434. The topic that I'm going to present is Industrial Revolution 4.0. Industrial Revolution took place during the late 1700s and early 1800s in industrialization and innovation. Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain in the 18th century and it has rapidly spread over the world. IR 1.0 began in 1800 with using mechanization, steam power, and water power to mechanize production. IR 2.0 began in the beginning of the 20th century and used electric power to create mass production. IR 3.0 started in the last decades of the 20th century and used electronics and information technology to automate manufacturing production. What is IR 4.0? IR 4.0 can be defined as the process of development in the manufacturing management and chain production. Besides that, IR 4.0 can be described as the fusion of technologies that merge the physical, digital, and biological spheres. These new technologies are revolutionary because of the speed, breadth, and the depth of the predicted change that will bring. The IR 4.0 technologies include artificial intelligence, 3D printing, autonomous vehicles, advanced robotics, and so on. Next, we proceed to issue of cybersecurity in manufacturing industries. The risk of cyber attacks increase as connectivity increases. There are some of the cybersecurity risks that manufacturers would face. First, attackers are looking to do is stealing data. They will steal data including client details and information stored in CRM system. Besides that, hackers will try to seek this information and hold it to ransom. Second, attackers can disrupt access system. Attackers can have control on manufacturing processes to intervene in production or mispresent their products. Attackers can gain intelligence for a competitive advantage. The intellectual property of the company steal by hackers for the benefit of competitors. For instance, some companies that produce oil had lost their legal and financial information to a cyber attack. The last risk is attackers may seek to map the network of the company. Artificial intelligence control system or the hackers will install software that harms individual processes by destroying data. For instance, if hackers could access an automated manufacturing process, they could damage the ability of the company to produce goods. Next, we move on to cybersecurity trends in manufacturing industry. The first one is cybersecurity is turning into intelligence driven. In the digital transformation world, intelligence is the key that able to respond actively to individual threats. Furthermore, intelligence allows the cybersecurity of the company to change dynamically to respond to varying threat landscape. Machine learning acts as a crucial role in order to gather intelligence. Based on this intelligence, the machine will make some decisions that will change themselves to mitigate the risk of a company. Second, companies target to be secure by design. The company must make sure that the cybersecurity must be adjusted to their business goals. The company also must be aware of cyber attacks at every point in their digital transformation journey. Furthermore, we can see that cybersecurity is an enabler of the company and able to see cooperation between cybersecurity and all levels of the company. Third, companies are concentrating on cloud-based security platforms. The providers of cloud-based security will start to gain traction in the security market. Cloud-based security appear for the company that are drawn to cloud-based service like they are platform delivered and have flexibility and scalability. Cloud-based security systems are built with open application programming interfaces. Therefore, the security teams can easily merge technologies into the cloud-based platform. The last trend is Zero Trust is merging into Digital Trust. Zero Trust is difficult for companies have legacy networks and it can affect the productivity of employees and customer engagement. Therefore, there are a new security model which is Digital Trust. Zero Trust has set the base for Digital Trust by utilizing IT to build a digital fingerprint of their employees. They have also built a comprehensive personal profile of each of the employees that include their information such as the type of devices they use and their real-time location. Digital Trust allows the employee access to systems and Digital Trust provides the employee remain unchanged with their profile. Having security is important to ensure that their manufacturing capabilities will not be as victims to ransomware. There are some alternatives that the manufacturing industry can mitigate the risk from cyber attacking. The first one is the company must invest proper time and financial in cybersecurity. For instance, the company may invest a variety of security services such as training, consultancy, software, or hardware can help prevent from cyber attack. Second, companies need to raise awareness of the importance of cybersecurity with employees. Sometimes, employees can be a manufacturer's biggest vulnerability. As companies change the nature of security threats, from employees connect their personal devices to company networks, it will lead to attacks from hackers. The company need to make sure that the employees are aware of online threats and understand how to protect sensitive data. Last one is, the company can purchase cyber insurance. If hackers attack your company, then the company will have to suffer financial and other business losses due to cyber attack. Cyber insurance will not help the company to retrieve data, but cyber insurance can cover the liability of the company if hackers steal or infiltrate to the data. As a conclusion, Industrial Revolution had evolved in technology, which technological innovation replaced human labor with mechanical work like machine or robots. The world of manufacturing is changing with the manufacturing company use the technology such as augmented reality, the Internet of Things, and cloud computing. As manufacturing companies adopt technology into their system and process, it can help to improve all areas of the production process such as can increase the productivity of the product. Thank you for watching.